You got it right. We are back, baby. We're back. Now I know I said in the last video we ain't bolting stuff up. We're gonna give this baby a bit of a wipe down because she's been sitting in the hallway for God knows how long. But we're gonna give her a wipe down. We're not gonna finish her today. We're just gonna bolt her today to the wall. Yeah, it's happening. Now the good thing is, I haven't completed this side yet in terms of the yellow paint. So you'll only see that side. And underneath the... Oh well, it's actually not too bad. I actually thought underneath was still white, but it's not. But we're doing this today. I repeat myself a lot, don't I? Let's get to work. So that's how much dirt that was on that. Look at that. Look how clean it looks again. That's amazing. Look at that. That's crazy. Finally got the TV bracket for this thing. It's a big goddamn time. It's an 11-inch TV bracket, so that'll be mounted onto that board once it's cut, and then the board will be mounted onto the bumper, and then, as you know, we're mounting it onto here, the wall here, at an angle. Like I said in the first video of this project, I showed you the angle it was at before, so we're putting it at that angle. Gosh, I'm excited about this. Hold up, people, hold up. Before we get all tense and dramatic, let me just bring this out real quick. Try not to fall over the sofa, that'll be great. Yeah, the board, we've got it marked where we want to cut. So the lines, the part where my hands are, try not to get splintered please. The part where my hands are, that's the bit that's being cut off. The bottom bit down there, yeah, the bottom bit down there, I need to measure this again. Did eyeball it, so so that's where it's going to be mounted. So as you can see, the line here is just above this line. I did that on purpose to leave me room to trim so that the line where it ends here can fit underneath here. That's the plan. Okay? Is that clear? Is because I found out that B&Q actually does cutting as a service. So it's a 50p per piece. So this week we're going to take this up to B&Q. I don't need to film that part, I'll film the rest of the mounting process. Oh geez. Oh geez. Are we fine? think we're fine. I forgot how heavy this thing is. Let's see what. Oh, Jesus Christ. That would have ended badly if I didn't see my shoes there. That looks pretty good. If I could have it a bit higher, that would be amazing. What does that look like? Does that look amazing? I won't see it until actually after the clip. I made this really awkward for myself. Jesus Christ, that'll be the door frame. But you kind of get the idea. Jesus Christ. I need to start going to the gym more. But you kind of get the idea, right? So that's where it's going. The TV bracket will be mounted onto the board that I just showed you. Next clip. So guys, yeah, so that's the idea behind it. Obviously I think these brackets are far too small. I don't think they'll hold very well. So I'm going to get slightly longer ones for that section. So in the next video we will be mounting this to the wall. I'm going to do this mounting part off camera. And I will see you in the new year.